Hello Aries, it's Joyce at Shadow Bayou Tarot with a little lanyard bringing you your tarot love tea. So this is for the beginning of September 2020. I'm using the Witch's Tarot and we're going to see what is the current, strongest, most dominant love energies for you guys. Remember, these are general readings. They won't resonate with everyone, so take what does resonate, leave the rest behind. Enjoy yourself here in Shadow Bayou. And if you would like a private reading for your situation, please email me here, shadowbayoutarot@gmail.com, and we will book a private reading. All right, guys. Please check out my new memberships. And also my Patreon is strictly celebrity readings only as per fan request. So if you have a favorite celebrity or celebrity couple that you would like for me to do a private love reading on, just email me your request. I will do a reading on that person or couple, and I post it strictly on my Patreon. It's $5 a month for Patreon, and you have access to all the celebrity readings on that platform. Okay? So guys, let's get into it. Aries, this is your love tea. All right, Aries, Spirit, show me please the most current, strongest, most dominant love energies for the zodiac sign of Aries in love, the love life of Aries. Aries, please, Spirit, show me Aries. Ooh. Love messages, please, for Aries. Aries in love. Major changes are coming for a lot of you guys. A lot of abundance. Some people, a lot of new beginnings. A lot of new beginnings, stability. Let's see. I just said that and the Seven of Swords is going to come out. Really? And the High Priestess. This is things unknown. Could be things you're trying to hide. And what is that little fly thing in here? We have Taurus here. We have Pisces energy, Gemini, Aries. We had some third-party energies here. What in the hell's going on? Gemini and the Lovers. See? Let's find out what's going on here. What we have is the Four of Cups, the Nine of Wands, and the Five of Cups. So somebody is regretting a third-party situation that they caused. The other person has their walls up, being very defensive here. It's almost like some of you knew that there was something going on, but there is regret here. A breakup, regretting actions, feeling the loss of your true love, of your partner. But this person wants reconciliation, as you can see with the two cups that are still standing. This person regrets the three parties here, the three cups that are down, the third party situation. They want a new beginning. They regret their choice. Two of Cups. They want a new beginning. Eight of Cups. Somebody's missing the other person. Stabbed him in the back. They're missing that love. They're very, very hurt, feeling very betrayed, pissed off, However, they can't stop thinking about it. They can't stop thinking about it over and over in their mind. They're trying to heal from this feeling, to move on from this third-party energy. Ten of Pentacles. This could have been a marriage that was interrupted by a third party. For some of you, for others of you, you want to heal and try to forget that your dream, your goal with your partner was marriage and family. But I'm going to tell you, there is a cycle starting. Somebody's coming back. Somebody's coming forward here. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Aries is also here. Taurus is here. Somebody has learned their lesson and they're ready to take control, take back control, and make an offer to their person. They regret what they've done, and some time has passed for a lot of you. But this person who betrayed you wants a second chance. They want to be able to heal this and reveal their love. Somebody's got to let their walls down. Somebody's got to put the walls down and forgive if they want this person back. Because I feel like you both want it. For some of you, I'm telling you, you both want it. I feel like it's really the ones that were not married, but that's what the intention of the relationship was. Here we go. Scorpio energy. Okay? Someone is going to stand their ground, knowing the other person has their walls up. They're still ready to fight for this relationship. They want to fight for it. And they're not going anywhere. Major changes here. Somebody's going to go ahead and drop these burdens they've been carrying and learn how to forgive. Forgiving being betrayed by the person they loved. Another Scorpio energy here, the Tower. That cycle is really, it's over, or it's ending for some of you. If it's not completely over yet, it is ending. That cycle is ending. A new cycle is beginning. Your person, guys, overall wants forgiveness and a second chance. And I feel like this is mainly for those of you who were not married to this person. Why did this third party even happen? What happened in this relationship to cause this third party interference? Spirit, please show me what caused the third party interference to begin with. All right. Choices. Too many choices. Yeah. And somebody was putting more into it than the other person. Somebody wasn't taking the relationship seriously enough. You know? They weren't as committed as the other person. And they thought that they could get away with it. They thought they can trick their person into believing the lies. They thought they can manipulate the situation and have their cake and eat it too. And they realized the trick was on them. They made a mistake. They made a mistake. They underestimated their person and lost their person. Someone they cannot let go of, that they value, that they should have treated much better. And now they want back. What's underneath the deck? The shadow side, this is devil energy. Look in the corner here, the devil. And look how there's people shining a light on this. Some people knew about this deception. Okay? But whoever did this cheating brought in a third party. That person has been working on themselves. They recognize what their problems are, what their flaws are, that it was them. And they got to release that devil energy. If they ever want this again, Queen of Pentacles, if they ever want their person back, and if they want them forever, permanently theirs, they have to be loyal. They have to be true to their word. This person doesn't know what the hell to do, but they do know they cannot have this if they're still like this. Truth and clarity and justice, Ace of Swords. I feel like a new beginning will happen with you guys for the majority, but it's going to take a long time to rebuild that trust, for this person to prove themselves, and they're asking for time. They are asking for a second chance. They are wanting to fight through this and prove that they're worthy, that they are not going to repeat the cycle of the past, that they're done with that shit, okay? It took them losing the love of their life to cherish, okay? To realize they took for granted the best person that was suited for them, someone they truly did love. They're going to tell the truth. They're going to spill all the beans and hope to hell that they're forgiven. This can be stable, okay? The love is there. The love never died. It was just this person in the past wanting to be a player, thinking they could get away with it. And they ended up making an ass of themselves, feeling like an ass for sure, looking stupid, especially to themselves, because guess what? Nobody gets away with that shit. You may think you do, but the universe has a way of working that out to where you don't. You never do. There's always a price to pay, and it's usually you paying the price, you going through the pain, you taking the loss, you taking the hit for your own stupidity, selfishness, greed, whatever the case may be. I'm going to pull Moonology, and we're going to close this reading, Aries. Expect powerful change. New moon eclipse. Expect a powerful change. And you can't see it coming. But I'm going to tell you something, Aries. Be ready to work for it. Be ready to earn it. Pat yourself on the back, because you made your road difficult. Now, yes, this could be vice versa. This could be your person who did this to you. That is absolutely correct, because energy is fluid, okay? So take it as it resonates for your situation, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Share my videos. Hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I upload new videos and go live here on YouTube. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon.